Here's some industrial techniques trivia. Subscribe. What technique involves layering materials to form composites? Is it A, casting, B, molding, C, coating, or D, laminating? The correct answer is D, laminating. What method uses molds to create parts? Is it A, forging, B, welding, C, machining, or D, casting? The correct answer is D, casting. What is the process of treating wood to prevent rot? Is it A, chemical staining, B, surface sanding, C, preservative treatment, or D, wooden sealing? The correct answer is C, preservative treatment. Which technique uses electric current to shape materials? Is it A, welding, B, 3D printing, C, electroforming, or D, casting? The correct answer is C, electroforming. What practice involves extracting minerals from the earth? Is it A, mining, B, fishing, C, construction, or D, farming? The correct answer is A, mining. What process involves coating metals with zinc? Is it A, anodizing, B, plating, C, powder coating, or D, galvanizing? The correct answer is D, galvanizing. What practice manipulates metals using high-speed tools? Is it A, CNC machining, B, welding, C, blacksmithing, or D, casting? The correct answer is A, CNC machining. What process involves shaping metals using an abrasive wheel? Is it A, grinding, B, milling, C, welding, or D, casting? The correct answer is A, grinding. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.